kinds of verb. First one is transitive verb and second one is intransitive verb. Transitive verb, the verb which need an object to make proper sense are transitive verb. Example. Children, I will tell the example and then I will explain. You will understand in a better way. Kavya reads. Kavya reads ये complete sentence है? नहीं है. कोई meaning है इसमें? Half meaning है. What she is reading? Kavya, what she is reading? क्या कर रही? Kavya read मतलब क्या? What? And you flew. You flew. What you flew? आप उड़ाया. क्या उड़ाया? So the verb which needs an object to make proper sense होना चाहिए, complete sentence होना चाहिए, उसमें कुछ meaning होना चाहिए ना, then only the sentence will be complete and you will be able to answer it. अगर आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे, that means it is a transitive verb. Correct. अब हम इसको correct करेंगे. Correct sentence. Kavya reads the book. What she is reading? The book. You flew a kite. Thus the words book and kite are the object. The pilot flew the aeroplane. अगर हम simply बोलेंगे pilot flew, what he flew? Helicopter, aeroplane, kite, what? The pilot flew the aeroplane. The girls are singing a song. The fire burned down the house. The fire burnt. क्या burn हो गया? Did you understand? Intransitive verb, the verbs which do not need an object to complete their meaning are called intransitive verb. A peacock dances. The verbs which do not need an object means already when the sentence is complete and we are finding that everything there is a verb, there is an object, everything, and meaning is correct, sentence is correct, then that is an intransitive. A peacock dances. The poor woman wept. Wept means जब रोते हैं तो फिर उसको बोलते हैं wept. वो रो रहा है नहीं, वो रो चुका. That is a wept. The boys are laughing. The difference between the intransitive and transitive. The aeroplane flew. The pilot flew the aeroplane. Children, is it possible कि aeroplane अपने आप flew करेगा? The pilot flew the aeroplane. The birds are singing. The birds are singing song. The fire was burning brightly. The fire burned down the house. These are the correct sentences with verb, object, everything. So, children, you must be having grammar book. आपके पास grammar book होगा. Children, you must be having grammar book. आपकी grammar book है, prescribed book है आपके पास. उसमें आप पहले ये देखिए कि कौन से exercises हैं. अगर आप exercises कर पा रहे हैं तो आप you start doing the exercises. If it is not when I'm not having the book. Whenever I get it, I'll start the exercises. Now, with this, we have completed verb. Now we will see lesson 1 from the book.